Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a home-based small mini store located at Sudashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with sarees and dress materials. Okay. After a long 1 to 1.5 weeks gap, I am coming back. Thanks for all your support. So I had some knee issues. So I'm just moving along with that. So please understand, and thanks for all your cooperation and feedbacks. Okay, so today I have some previous collections again. So coming up days I'm coming up with new collections. So just now I recovered from the knee, so that okay. Today I have some Dupian collections. It's a e-card printed Dupian silk saree priced at 900 rupees. COD is also available across all over India. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost plus shipping cost. So we deliver using DTDC and delivery. DTDC services is also resumed. So DTDC and delivery are the main parcel services which we will be using. So if you need another parcel services, please intimate me in before. Okay. So I will be moving along with the sarees. Sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, my kid is shouting outside. So this is a Dupian silk saree. All of them are lightweight sarees. It's very lightweight, and you have a fine printing all over the saree. Okay, it's a rich and simple saree. Okay, this is the saree. This is the first one. It's a silverish color with black combination. A very lovely design. Okay, it's a silver with black combination. This is the pallu. Okay, you have a traditional chit pallu. Okay, and the blouse is contrast. So this is how the saree will be looking. Even in the blouse you have the zari borders, the gadijari borders in both the corners, and this will be the saree. It's a lightweight. The fabric is very lightweight, and also it's very premium fabric. Okay, so this is the first saree. All of the sarees which I am going to show today is priced at 900 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. It's a silver color with black combination. So post the live video. I will be posting the pictures for your reference also. So you can always look up the pictures before confirming the product. Okay. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned it in the description. So I have given the direct link also, so that you can ping me without saving. So this is the second one. All of them are Dupian silk sarees. It's an art silk saree, Dupian art silk saree with e-card printing. This is the second one. It's a light blue with pink combination. You have a fine peacock designs printer. You have the gadijari border. One side is a big border and the other side is a 2-inch border. And you have a blue with pink combination. So you have the chit pallu. All of the pallu will be the same, and you have the contrast blouse piece, plain blouse with borders. So this is the second one. It's a light blue with pink combination. This is how the second saree will be looking. Please always share the screenshot of the sarees for the enquiries or orders. So please don't go with the numbers. So all my collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. If you check my WhatsApp profile, there will be a field named as catalog. So in that I have listed all my collections. So if anyone interested to see my collections, you can always look after them. So because sharing each and every products to personal window is tedious job. So this is the third saree. Okay, very lovely saree. It's a ivory with greenish combination, green and pink combination. Very lovely saree. So you have the dark pink combination. It's a pink. Okay, and you have a blouse piece in dark pink. So this is the saree. This is how the saree will be looking. It's a half white with green and pink combination. Priced at 900 rupees. All of them are lightweight sarees. If you give dry wash, the life will become very long. But if you can use the normal wash also. And this is the next one. All of them are lightweight sarees, easy to drape also. So this is a purple color, dark purple with green combination, a very different and lovely combination. So you have a green combination. I will show you the pallu and the blouse. So this is the pallu. You have the chit pallu and you have the blouse piece. So this is the next saree, how it will be looking. Okay, so you have the peacock borders. It's not a plain zari border. Instead, you have the peacock design in the zari borders. Okay, both the ends you have the zari border. It's a very lovely saree, lightweight saree. Easy to wear for any functions and also for office normal wears. So another multicolor one. It's a blue and green combination with all the peacock and deer designs, tree designs. So with the orange combination. So this is how the saree will be looking. And you have the orange pallu with orange blouse. So this is how the saree will be looking. So hope you can able to see all the designs clearly. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. It's all the sarees are e-cut printed. So the shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. Okay. COD service charges is applicable for the courier service. So it's the charges they are taking for processing the COD orders. So this is the next one. It's a red with mustard yellow combination. Okay, it's like gold. So red with gold. Okay, it's a mustard yellow actually. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a red with mustard yellow. So this is the look of the saree. It's a red with mustard yellow. A light variation is coming for the yellow design. It's actually goldenish color. Okay, so it's a dark mustard yellow color. So next one is a blue with purple combination. Okay, a very different combination again. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a blue color, light blue color, sky blue color. Okay, a slight color variation is coming in the video. In videos, the color variation is slightly possible. So all the photos which we are sharing in the page or the groups will be having the near possible color. Okay, it's almost accurate color. If there are any color differences, I will be notifying along with. Because of the video, the lighting and the resolutions in video, the color variation is slightly possible. So if you have any doubt in the color, please always check with the real colors with me before ordering. Okay, so it's a sky blue with purple combination. The color purple is coming correctly, but the light blue color is little different, slightly different. Okay, so please refer to the pictures which I will be posting in the page after the live show, or ask me for the real pictures. Whatever I am sharing is the real pictures only. Just the lighting I will be having, not the full lighting effects also. It's just a plain sunlight or something. Okay, so mostly the pictures whichever I am sharing is the real pictures. And I try to give you the real color as much as possible. So this is the next one. It's a mustard yellow color with light blue combination again. So again the color variation is there. It's a dark mustard yellow color. Okay, with a brownish chit pallu with brownish blouse piece. So all of them are very lightweight sarees, easy to drape also. So this is the one. This is how the saree will be looking. Resellers are also welcome. We will be having a decent margin for the resellers. So we are giving the best price possible for all the sarees. So the next one, this is the last saree for today's live. It's a light blue color again with a light brown shade. So you have a lines across, diagonal lines across in the sarees, and you have the parrot designs in the borders. Okay, and it's a light brown shade. Okay, all of the color combinations are very different in this particular catalog. All of them are Dupion silk sarees. It's a art silk, Dupion art silk sarees. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is the last saree for today's live. All of them are lightweight sarees. Again, I am repeating the courier charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product plus shipping cost. We will be delivering using the DTDC and delivery courier services, whichever is prompt for the pin code which is given. Okay, so this if you have and if you need of any other particular courier services, please intimate me before the order. So that's all guys for today. In another couple of days I will be coming up with some new collections. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like my page, please share my page, please keep supporting. Thank you guys. Thanks all for your support. Thank you. Bye bye.